Hey besties, let me show you how I make my garlic and ginger paste. Apart from the unique aroma it gives to your food, it also aids in digestion and helps tenderize your meat. So sit back and let's get started. So I'm going to leave the name of the ingredients in the screen, okay, or on the screen. So this is garlic and ginger, okay, and this is scallions or green pepper, spring onions, and then some rosemary. Okay, you can blend this with oil if your blender can't blend, or you can as well blend it like that if you have a good blender. Okay, so let's go and blend it. So after blending, make sure you get yourself ice cube container, okay, and then fetch it in the cubes, okay, fetch it in the cubes as you are seeing. All right, cube modes as you are seeing. Okay, so after doing that, you're going to cover it and take it into your freezer. Okay, so the next day it is going to be frozen like what you are seeing right now, guys. This makes life so easy. You see, always when you are cooking, you don't have to blend garlic and ginger. Sometimes you have everything like tomato paste, everything blended, but only garlic and ginger you have to peel and blend. And guys, let me tell you, I hate peeling garlic and ginger. I hate it. So when I do it like this, I feel free anytime I'm cooking. You can use this to steam or season your chicken, your beef, your fish, your stew, your soup, anything you are cooking at all. Guys, after you put it in your Ziploc like this and store it in the freezer. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Ross's kitchen, Adriani Bankoa, Ross's kitchen, Adriani Baye, Dr. Ross's kitchen, Adriani Bankoa, Ross's kitchen.